Namaskar, I am Nirmal Kanti Boyddo, a holiday member of Orchid Holiday and Hospitality Limited. Now I am in front of Oblu Experience Isla Fushi in Maldives. We booked this property through Orchid for my son's birthday celebration for 2 nights beach villa and 2 nights water villa. But we came here to know that we have been upgraded from beach villa to water villa for 4 nights. So many thanks to Orchid for giving us this resort. Also earlier we have taken many properties from Orchid and truly say their every property is very exquisite. So I highly recommended Orchid travelers. And I am showing the reception counter of Oblu. This is the Indian Sea and these are the wall water villas of Oblu. Again I thanks to Orchid Holiday and Hospitality Limited. Thank you so much.